Let's face it, some commercial solar proposals are way too long, clunky, or worse, incomplete. In a market flooded with competition, a weak commercial solar proposal could cost you the deal. In just 20 minutes, our SAA-approved video presentation strips away the guesswork and dives straight into the essential components of a winning formal proposal. Our clear and concise content is perfect for anyone entering the commercial solar industry. Upskill with the foundational knowledge and techniques needed to confidently navigate the entire formal proposal process. Learn through our expert guidance built on Greenwood Academy's real-world experience so you can start strong and understand exactly what's needed to create proposals that actually get results. In part one of this essential training, you'll get a solid foundation in what actually goes into a commercial solar proposal, which includes discussing key aspects like systems and product use, finalising your initial costing, the importance of visuals versus text, focusing on your strengths and outlining expected outputs and savings. This course is built from a decade of live project experience by the team at Greenwood Solutions. Real solar professionals working day in, day out, refining our sales strategies and what proposal formulas actually work for us and for you. If you're ready to win more deals and build trust from the very first proposal, enroll in part one now and get learning today. Hit the link, earn your CPD points, and start creating commercial solar proposals that do the talking for you. Let's help make your next quote the absolute best one yet.